Where can I purchase an authentic Gucci watch?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be focusing on a question that has been on the minds of many luxury enthusiasts. Where can I purchase an authentic Gucci watch? This guide will ensure you get your hands on a legitimate, genuine Gucci timepiece.
Why buy authentic?
First off, let's talk about why authenticity matters. Buying an authentic Gucci watch means you're getting the highest quality materials, expert craftsmanship, and the assurance of warranty. Imitations can't offer the same guarantees, and owning a genuine piece adds to the value and experience.
Official Gucci stores and websites.
One of the safest ways to ensure the authenticity of your Gucci watch is to purchase directly from Gucci's official retail stores or their official website. These stores have professionals who can guide you through your purchase and guarantee the authenticity of your product. However, it's essential to be cautious when buying online. Many fraudulent websites imitate legitimate brands.
Authorized luxury retailers.
If buying directly from Gucci isn't an option for you, the next best thing is to go for authorized luxury retailers. These are stores that have been given the green light by Gucci to sell their products. This also guarantees that the products they sell are authentic.
High-end department stores.
Another trustworthy source for authentic Gucci watches are high-end department stores. These stores have sections dedicated to luxury brands, including Gucci. But again, be sure that these stores are reputable and well-known.
Buying secondhand.
Sometimes, you may want to buy a vintage or discontinued model, and in this case, you might consider secondhand retailers. However, be extremely cautious when buying from secondhand sources. Always check the seller's credibility. Ask for proof of authenticity like original receipts or certificates, and if possible, ask an expert to verify the product before purchasing. Now you have all the information you need to purchase an authentic Gucci watch confidently. Remember, buying authentic isn't just about style, it's about quality, longevity, and preserving the value of your timepiece. So happy shopping, and enjoy your genuine Gucci watch.